All right, GBMC, this is the big one. This is the find the winner of my 5 MVP Packer Pro Line helmet. So we'll check the time, January 24th at 4:10 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have January 24th at 4:10 p.m. There's the list of our 100 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, guys, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck, guys. It is John. Spot 18 is your winner. So, John, please message me to collect your helmet. That is a beaut. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 24th, 4:11 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.